Hey everyone, it is Friday. It's supposed to rain all weekend and we're headed camping, so wish us luck.
We're going up a hill.
We're going up a hill? Where are we?
In a Mickey car.
In the Mickey car, but we're at a campground. So we're in line to get in. You can see the windshield, it's starting to rain. There's the camper in front of us.
This bigger camper up.
He's what?
This bigger camper up.
Yeah. There's a camper on the street waiting.
Oh, wow.
Because they will actually check you in outside, which is kind of cool.
Wow. I see it. Mommy, I opened up Jason's umbrella.
I see that.
See it up high?
I see
See
it
it up high?
Your umbrella's in the trunk. We'll get it when we get there. Alright, we finally got the camper set up, cleaned out.
And we're in the camper, and I'm watching TV.
Yeah, shocking. You're watching TV. But it's raining out, so it's not that big a deal. Huh. We gotta get rid of that dog crate. That was when Maggie was a pup.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
We're going to need to start bringing the crate to our house.
Yeah, well, we didn't bring a crate last time we went camping with her. But we have bunk beds right there. So whoop. Alright, we got bunk bed. That door is the bathroom.
We can do that different day where we are.
We have a little stove.
Home we have a
sink, TV. So we're just hanging out. Huh. Say cheese.
Cheese.
I'm not sure what I'm gonna do now.
Again, cheese.
Maybe figure out dinner.
Cheese again.
Oh.
Cheese.
Do you know what costume I brought you?
Nope.
The new dinosaur costume.
Oh.
The one you wanted.
Phew.
What are you doing?
Installing my LEDs.
Didn't Scott give those to you for your other truck?
For my other Ridgeline, yes.
And you held on to them?
Yeah, why not?
No, just curious. Alright, here's the field. Morning. Today's Saturday. Jackson actually woke up, I don't know, sometime in the 5 a.m. range. He had soaked through his diaper, changed him. He fortunately fell back asleep until about 8:15, which is the longest we've gotten him to sleep in a while. It's raining. At first we thought it was like a heavy mist. No, it's full on raining. So I am sitting under a blue tent and I'm just going to do some work on my videos. James is watching TV, and Mark is going to go help a friend, and I told him he needs to take Jackson with him. So, anyways, welcome to the fun of camping in the rain. Hey Jackson, is it raining? Jackson, don't go out there.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know.
We're taking a walk in the rain. Ooh, my eyebrows look super dark. I got them microbladed yesterday.
Jackson, grab your umbrella.
So hot tub's empty. Pool is lowered. Hey Jackson, do you know that this was the pool that you first went kick, kick, kick by yourself?
Where is he?
Already
Alright.
down the purple one.
The adult trick-or-treating has started.
Purple's down, here comes blue.
You look like death walked over, my friend. This is good. Soon there will be enough of us, and we will terrorize the living until we own this night. Are you with me? Halloween is ours.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all
We just got back. Kids are eating all their candy. Literally all of it. Mommy and Daddy
Win.
got Jello shots
17 minutes, right.
and this, what did they say this was, Mark? Tequila, Corona, lime juice.
I got it this time.
Cheers.
Is that really good?
Mm-hmm.
This way, Daddy.
Mm.
Please open. Please open, please.
The blue raspberry is really good. Yeah, the Jello. What do we make for dinner, guys?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. Can we even go camping and not have mac and cheese?
I go camping.
You do go camping. See, look, say, I go camping.
I go camping.
What are you eating?
Fuck yeah.
Chocolate. You got to put the chocolate over there. There, now you can see it.
Mommy, don't Mommy. Mommy. Mommy, you got the same way. Why? Not the same way you're eating.
Oh, what are you eating?
Candy.
Candy. There you go.
Cheese candy.
Monday. I never closed out my video from yesterday from camping, but we did have fun. It was a tough weekend. It did rain all day Saturday, Friday night. Thankfully, they both were asleep very early last night. Otherwise, it would have been a long night as well. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, and if you want to join the family, click that subscribe button as well. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.